know you make me float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, this tide is rope. Before you just get me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
Hey guys, so I am getting ready to go to my family's. They're having a get together, and that's what I'm getting ready to go to. Why do I feel like I'm so close up to you guys? Like you're all up in my face. God. Alright, so I'm ready already. I'm gonna be doing my skincare right now because that's all I'm gonna be doing. No makeup, no nothing. Sun too hot outside, so I am toning. Guys, I did my lashes and I also did my brows. Oh my god, like for some strange reason, like 4 blackheads pop up in my forehead, and I was trying to squeeze it with something, and I in turn scraped my face right there, so I'm about to get dark spots in my face. Like I'm livid. Look, I don't know if you can see the blackheads. I don't know if it's focusing properly, but look at my lashes and my brows. I did lamination on them at home. Look out for the DIY video. Like guys, if me never say it a while ago, like you guys would not have known that these are some DIY lashes. Oh my shading, God, I'm messing up my brows. That these are some DIY lashes. They look so real. This is a new plug from me. Look out for the video. I soon come back the brows. I think they say I'm kind of out of this right now. I think they say nothing is to go on the brows for 24 hours. So not like I can fill in the empty areas. No, they gotta stay. But I love them. Oh my god. I was telling you guys the other day that I can't tell when last I shaved my eyebrow. It's been ages because they just don't grow how I want them to grow. They grow really spacey. Never have the perfect art, so I just leave them. And when I want to do my makeup, I just fill them in and conceal them with concealer. So my brows are not really an issue. Sunscreen is a must, guys. It helps to protect the face from the rays of the sun. And I am done. I want my rose water spray. Never leave it out. I'm gonna use a mascara wand to spoolie, comb back my brows. Put some lip gloss on, and I am ready to go. This is a short video, by the way. It's my duty to get the ice cream, so I am gonna run, get the ice cream, and go over with the kids because I want them to at least have a little fun before it gets darker. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. Yeah, so it's I don't know, what are you guys doing for the holiday? I know it's a big party weekend. Just look at that mold. Oh my god, this is not even legal for a mold to come out so snatched, looking so good. But yeah, I'm about to put some. I really want to get off this glue off of my lash. Oh my lid. I don't know how to get it off. It's not going anywhere. This is what I use. Put it in my hand and then I just stamp it over my hair. And I'm heading out right now. Bye. Well, I'll probably show you guys a little bit of the fun day. To all my family reserved. I'm sure nobody want to be on camera. So I'll catch up with you guys. I should be going to church tomorrow. I am really not sure, but I will catch up on you guys. I will catch up with you guys later to end off the vlog or tomorrow. Okay? I'll try to show you snippets of the fun day, of course. Your both fun day. Get together. Please do not look over that side. Don't look at the mess. This is my outfit of the day. Bye. Oh boy, the ice cream place is closed. They're opening on Monday, but I want the ice cream today, so. Ellie got this, guys, from her aunt, her grand aunt, my aunt. So we're home from the get together. Bye. It's bedtime. Hey guys, happy Easter! So your girl is at Krispy Kreme right now. I really wanted to come here, but yeah, I'm here. We should get a hot dog. So we're there right now, getting our donuts. Once you're alright, and see. So when we get through, then I'll show you what I get, and then I'll finish off this vlog, okay? This is their Easter special, Easter dozen special, whatever.